What approximate percent of Canada would survive the apocalypse based on physical activity?
Our hypothesis was 47% of average Canadian adults would survive the zombie apocalypse.
These are scenes from all over the country about the apocalypse and its effects on Canada.
I'm here with Couch Potato Cade. Now, Cade, what is a zombie apocalypse?
Basically what it sounds like, an apocalypse caused by zombies.
Now what's an apocalypse?
An apocalypse is like the end of the world.
Where did zombies come from? Any idea?
Well, I think zombism comes from like Haitian voodoo culture. It means spirit of the dead. Zombie does. I don't know.
How do you kill a zombie?
It doesn't get any better than this.
You shoot it in the head.
Thank you, Cade, for your wise words of wisdom. I'm here with Chuck, the bodybuilder. So, Chuck, can you tell us any misconceptions about zombies?
Well, there's lots of things that are kind of like zombies, so it's become a very broad term. And, well, the original zombies are corpses that have come back from the dead. And they're generally slow, vary in appearance, depending on how long they've actually been dead.
How are new zombies formed?
Usually it's from being bitten, and then a normal person will turn into a zombie.
Thank you, Chuck. And here I am with Base Bailey. Can you tell us anything about the infected?
The infected are creatures similar to a zombie that have contracted a disease from somewhere. I'm pretty sure the disease varies depending on what's going on.
So, what's the difference between infected and zombies?
The zombies are slow and the infected are, they can run and they're really aggressive and can do all the same things as a human.
How do you kill an infected?
Oh, I don't know. Shoot them in the head or something.
Okay, thank you. I'm here with French scientist guy doing a study on 9M, the best class in the world. So, can you tell me what the study is about?
Well, the study is about zombies and the class 9M. We're basing the study on the apocalypse with the infected, not regular zombies, because regular zombies can easily be outrun. Now, we study 9M to see what percent of the class could survive.
What was your hypothesis?
Our hypothesis was 60%.
And why?
Well, based on the survey questions we provided, how many times do you exercise a week and do you think you could survive? We came to the conclusion that yes. And out of those survey questions, we got 2 people exercise 0 to 2 days per week, and 10 for 3 to 4 days, and 16 for 5 and up days.
What about the other question?
The other question wasn't very important, but we just wanted to see what everyone thought. 61% thought they could survive, 11% thought maybe, and 28% thought no. But the reality of our survey was that 75% of the class would approximately survive.
Thank you, French scientist guy.
No problem.
I'm here with the head of the Apocalyptic Survival Science Squad team. They are doing a study on apocalypse in Canada. Tell me, what is the study based on?
Well, we're basing the study of Canada's survival on physical activity and overall health of the average adult in Canada. There are obviously many more factors, but these are some of the key points to surviving the apocalypse. Over time, the percentage of obesity in Canada has greatly increased from 1978 until now.
So what has changed since 1978?
Well, in 1978, the percentage of measured obesity was 14%, and in 2005, the measured obesity is 24%. Obesity and the apocalypse obviously do not mix, because they can probably kill you if you're not fit or obese. So that brings us to another question. Fitness in Canada.
What about it?
Well, the fitness is more important in the weight in this situation, and as you can see, 27% of Canada is active, 25% is moderately active, and 47% is inactive. The inactive people would obviously not survive, so that eliminates 47% of the population. The remaining population would probably survive. Of course, not all the moderately active people would survive. But this is just an approximation. Remember, it's based on physical activity and fitness. We're just assuming that majority of the obese and overweight people do not exercise and cannot run fast.
So how do these come together?
Well, weight and physical activity need to be taken into account separately. Based on physical fitness, 39% of Canada would survive the zombie apocalypse, and based on weight, approximately 38% would survive.
What's the conclusion?
Our conclusion of the question, what approximate percent of average Canadian adults would survive the apocalypse, is 39%. This is because most of the active people would survive, and part of the moderately active people would survive. Combined with the factor of weight, it equals around to be 39%. This is based on the percent of people with weight problems and physical activity in Canada.
How do you survive the apocalypse? Here's some tips from our experts.
Check the back.
Alright.
Don't be a hero.
I'll save you!
Communication is key.
Hey!
Watch your back. Stay quiet.
Dead friends aren't friends.
Always check the shower. Always squat away in preparation for another attack.
Surprise, surprise, my dear. There are some things out there who are not zombies. I've been hearing things about these creatures. They are the infected. They have all the abilities of a human, but are aggressive and bite you. Whenever someone's bitten, they turn into one of these infected. They don't have brains or minds to think for themselves. They're like wolves.